If you're a property manager or you own a firm here in 2026, you know that the job has fundamentally changed. We have moved past the era of simple maintenance and vendor management. And yes, that's still a part of it, but we are now in the era of high stakes regulatory operations. And from the structural integrity mandates in Florida to Colorado's DREAM Act and the sweeping transparency requirements of the new legislation, the administrative burden has never been heavier. Managers are being asked to scale their portfolios and do more with less. But in this environment, you cannot afford to sacrifice financial accuracy for speed. The biggest threat to a scaling management firm isn't a lack of clients, it is the data. And when you're jumping between different tools for accounting and payments and resident communication, you aren't just losing time, you're increasing your liability. In 2026, Excellent is really built on unified systems. Integrated accounting, payment platforms, they don't just make billing faster, they create an automated system of record. When a homeowner exercises their 2026 right to see their ledger within 7 days, you shouldn't have to scramble. It should be a one-click report. Now look, you as property managers, you are excellent at community relations and site management, but you shouldn't have to be an actuary or a forensic accountant to get a budget passed. And this is where the CFO-property manager partnership becomes your competitive advantage. I handle the heavy lifting of sensitivity analysis when the operating squeeze hits, like insurance premiums jumping 15%. I don't just give the board a bill, I give them a data-backed narrative. We look at the what-if scenarios. What if we adjust the reserve funding threshold to 70%? What if we defer this non-critical asset by 18 months? I provide the technical financial defense for the budget increases that you recommend. This is going to help make your meetings smoother and shorter. Your boards are going to be more confident and your managers are going to be more effective. We navigate the 2026 market disruptions and labor shortages together. So the financial math is never the bottleneck in your operations. I act as your technical financial partner. My goal is to handle the fiscal guardrails so you can focus on the people and the properties. In 2026, financial discipline isn't just a goal, it is the standard for professional management. And to help you to streamline your next series of board meetings, I have developed my treasurer pack for focused meetings. I designed this specifically to take the friction out of financial discussions. And it includes meeting-ready financial summaries that translate those complex issues into clear action items. So stop spending your board meetings defending the math. Let's build a resilient financial plan that allows your portfolio to scale with excellence. Click the link down below to get the treasurer pack, and let's get your meetings focused and let's get your finances aligned.